Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling the typing keyboard to piano keyboard so you can play without an external controller. Open FL Studio and select a channel or instrument plugin that accepts MIDI input. This matters because otherwise your keystrokes do nothing. Once selected, press the typing keyboard to piano keyboard button or use Ctrl+T. Make sure the plugin shows incoming notes. This confirms the mapping. Now you can play scales and test different presets to hear how velocity and octave shifts affect sound. You continue by learning controls that expand playability. Use Z and X to shift octaves so low bass or high lead ranges are instantly accessible. Once done, adjust velocity to shape dynamics. Hold Shift while pressing keys or set the plugin's velocity knob. This changes how loud or soft notes trigger. Also use Q, W, E, R keys for quick chord or scale presets depending on your mapping. These steps let you craft performance nuances and fit parts into the mix without leaving your keyboard. You finish by recording and polishing what you played. Arm the channel, press record, then play FL Studio captures MIDI into the piano roll. Once recorded, quantize or manually edit notes to tighten timing and correct mistakes. Make sure to save a version so you can experiment non-destructively. If things go wrong, troubleshoot. Confirm the typing keyboard toggle is active, verify the audio driver and output, and check channel routing so the plugin is audible. This resolves most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.